Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about water density. So in this, the salt water has more density than the plain water. Now we are going to do this the experiment. So for this, we need salt, a cup of water, and ice cubes. So take 1 cup of water and put salt. 3 spoons of salt. And then mix it well. Then put the ice cubes in both of the cups. Now put the food color. Put the food color in both of those. Now you see the salt water. The salt water. The food color is not mixed well, but in the plain water it is mixed well. This happens because the salt water has more density than the plain water. Thank you. Bye.